When the strings on the guitar start buzzing, the first instinct is to try to get them further away from the frets, either by adjusting the bridge or the curvature at the neck, which is fine. It's something that everybody should know how to do to take care of your instruments. It's like learning to brush your teeth. But what happens when you stumble upon this? That rocking there means the 9th fret is taller than 8 and 10. So when I approach it with a straight line, this happens, okay? Which means that before the 9th fret, the guitar is not going to work to its fullest potential, because when the strings want to vibrate, there's a taller fret in the way, and it's not like the string can jump over the problem, okay? So that needs to be addressed. And it's not only there, it's here on 12, I got it on 19th, it's all over the place. And to make things more fun, it's not along the entirety of the fret. Like when I come to this end of 12, there's no movement. When I come here, it walks around like crazy. And actually, when I zoom in, you can see that there's a little bit of a shadow underneath the fret. Here's the thickness gauge. It goes fully underneath the fret, okay? Which means that the fret is actually detached from the wood. That's the beauty of this tool. This allows me to detect this simple issue and address it as it needs to be addressed, instead of wasting time performing an adjustment that's not going to fix anything really, because the issue is in another place. And what's actually kind of funny in this case is that if I come to 11, there's no rocking in 11, but when I approach it with a thickness gauge, it still goes fully underneath the thing. So once I fixed 12, I'm gonna have issues at 11 as well. But yeah, again, that's the beauty of having the proper tool to detect the proper issue and do the proper job instead of wasting my time.